Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Atila Zaidan. I'm from class 12 Science 1. I would like to explain how to use washing machine to wash our clothes. The materials: a unit of washing machine, detergent, and water. Spreads. Spread your clothing means you have to spread your clothing into 3 categories: white, dry, and bright colors. Next. Second, read the label to make sure nothing is dry clean, only your hand wash only. If you feel it, just spread these items into the art new field. 3. Read the label on detergent to put the correct measure into the machine. Next, add the water and wipe the tap until now. After that, close the light and set the speed your machine, or you can cause regular speed for most clothing to get best result, as hot water for white clothing, cool for dark clothes, and warm for bright colors. Turn on the washing machine and allow it to run until finished. After the process of washing has finished, let the clothes dry now in the dry house. After that, see knob of the wash timer again, sit up for the 3 minutes more. Done twice for a good rinsing. Finally, pat with clothes to inspire complement, set the knob and wait until the spin process shut off. Well done! Your clothes are clean for the period of a few minutes. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.